Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on two-factor authentication on Shopify. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn on two-factor authentication on Shopify application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, tap on your profile's email address. On the next page, tap on Manage Account option. You will then be directed to your account setting page of Shopify's account. Tap on Security. Scroll all the way down and tap on Turn on Two-Step option. Enter a password associated with your Shopify's account and tap on Next. You can scan a QR code or else you can enter 6-digit verification code generated by Authenticator application. Select any one of the options. Tap on Authenticator application and select the preferred option. Here I'm gonna go with SMS delivery. Enter country code and your phone number. Tick mark on the box that says I am a human and then tap on Send Authentication Code. Enter a 6-digit code sent to your phone number and tap on Turn On. This is how you can turn on two-factor authentication on Shopify quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.